Bitcoin bounced off a key support level, and if that sounds interesting to you, make sure to continue watching our video. Hey guys, Pingu Charts here. Welcome back to another Bitcoin analysis video. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. If you guys are interested in a free $600 Bitcoin, make sure to check out the link in the bio. As you guys can see from yesterday's video, we mentioned that Bitcoin will possibly be retesting the support level around the $20,000 mark for a neutral point for us to actually possibly look for that long position. You can see we had a beautiful retest of this resistance. We saw multiple rejection candles here on the 4 hour for 20.7. We saw the confirmation retest, and then we saw this massive move to the downside. I mentioned that it's going to be very important for the bulls to try to hold this level here around the $20,000 mark, and that's exactly how it played out. We tested that $20,000 mark, had a nice V-shaped formation, retesting this resistance level. Now, ideally, what I would like to see is the bulls possibly break above this level, find it as support, and then a continuation higher. But from a bearish perspective, if this does become a double top formation aspect, then we would be looking for a rejection point and possibly retesting the lows of 19.5. Of course, if that level is played out around the 19.5, things would become extremely bearish for Bitcoin, because that would technically become the third test. You can see we had the first test right over here, the second test, and then now that would be the third test, breaking down this formation, and things would become interesting, right? The bulls are obviously going to have to hold this $20,000 mark if they want to continue pushing higher, and if we can get above that 20.7 level, which is extremely crucial, the next level overall would be our $22,800 level. The reason why this level, of course, is our main level is because you can see that we had this massive move to the downside starting around the $22,000 mark, and it created somewhat of an inverse BART formation, right? So now what we're looking for is that move breaking above to that 22,800, and then that rejection candle possibly testing the major lows overall. Things are going to become extremely interesting over the weekend, so I suggest that if you guys aren't trading, I definitely don't suggest trading on the weekends because of the fact that there's a lack of liquidity and a lot more manipulation, right? You want to be very, very careful about entering positions overall. But right now on Bitcoin, you can see on the hourly chart that we are already seeing those rejection candles, right? We can start seeing that we retested that move all the way up to 20.7, a nice retest, saw that confirmation to the downside. Now, of course, from the bullish case scenario, from a lower perspective, we would have to try to hold this exponential moving average around the 20.4, and then that continuation, possibly retesting these wicks over here, and then getting that nice push above. But if this is the confirmation of the downside retest, then we would be looking for the next level around $20,000 to possibly hold once more, or the 19.5 overall if we do get that break. Now, there is something to note, though, the fact that we are still in this 1 hour BART formation that you guys see right now. We had this massive move up, had this BART formation, and then the continuation down is still possible. So that's why this $20,000 level is going to become extremely crucial for us to actually hold. But that's pretty much all I have for you guys today. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. If you guys are interested in that free $600 Bitcoin, make sure to check out the link in the bio, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day.